नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्लोका 27 वेदवेदान्तकोशैश्च गीतापाठैर्मुहुर्मुहुः बोध्यमानौ तदा तेन कथञ्चिच्चोथितौ बलात् वेदवेदान्तकोशैश्च here the Narada Muni is shouting at the two sons of Bhakti Devi, that is Jnana and Vairagya, on the intention of waking up from the unconscious state. So, Vedanta Koshesha. Veda means all the Vedas. Vedantas means the Upanishads. Koshaischa means chanting. Vedanta Koshesha means Narada Muni started chanting all the Vedas and Upanishads on the intention of waking up the two sons of Bhakti Devi. Gita Pader Muhur Muhuhu. Gita means the Bhagavad Gita. Padher means the lessons. Muhur means reciting. Muhuhu means slowly. So Gita Pader Muhur. So the Narada Muni also recited the Bhagavad Gita. Vedanta Kosheshta Gita Padair Muhur. Narada Muni started reciting all the Vedas, Vedantas, Upanishads and the Bhagavad Gita in a louder way on the intention of waking up the Jnana and Vairagya from their unconscious state. Bodhyamanau tada tena. Bodhya means consciousness. Manau means getting a change. Tada, at that time. Tena, by them. Bodhyamana tada tena. So, the two sons slowly saw some changes in their unconscious state. That means slowly they are coming back to consciousness. Kadam chit chodidau balat. Kadam chit means the stories or the recitation. Chit in the mind. Chodidau means very slowly with great efforts. Balat means using extra effort. Kadamchit chodidau balat. That means with great efforts, the two sons are slowly coming back to the consciousness. Bodhyamanau tadadena kadamchit chodidau balat. The both sons are slowly and with great efforts made to wake up. Vedanta Koshaicha Gita Pader Muhur Bodhyamanau tadadena kadamchit chodidau balat. So, Narada Muni, being roused by the chanting of the Vedas, Upanishads, Vedantas, and loud recitations of Bhagavad Gita, the two sons of Bhakti Devi, Jnana and Vairagya, were slowly and with great efforts made to wake up. Vedanta Koshaicha Gita Padairmuhur Bodhyamanau Tadatena Kadam Chatto Chodidau Balat. Thank you.